Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M, and this time it's related to the status of Camera2 API after hard reset. So this video will surely help for them, help those users who are opting to do reset either using factory reset or hard reset. So let me remind you, we had already created a video regarding status of Camera2 API after factory reset. So before doing factory reset, we had enabled Camera2 API, but after doing factory reset, that particular Camera2 API was not enabled. So basically, after doing factory reset, your all the settings are wiped, and it will be like this set which is being shipped from the factory itself. But in hard reset, this is like there is a contrary to hard reset. So let's say if you had enabled a Camera2 API and afterward you are doing hard reset. So basically, if you don't know how to do hard reset, we had already created a thorough video on this. So we will add a description. We will add a link in the description for factory reset and hard, as well as for the hard reset too, and as well as also add the card links for both the things. So if you are choosing to do hard reset and you have enabled the Camera2 API, so there is a good news. After doing hard reset, your Camera2 API would be enabled and this will not be wiped. Whereas in factory reset, it does wipe and you have to re-enable it using those fast boot commands. So this was all from our side in terms of status of Camera2 API after hard reset. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family, and apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. It's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.
Let's synchronized.